and I love this green. All around the tent, you have the option to either go mesh or you can zip it up and go full canvas. Just pumped up so fast. Yes, sir. Today, we're gonna be luxury camping on private property in an inflatable tent. I've been wanting an inflatable tent for an extremely long time now, y'all know we've been luxury camping in the King Camp tents, and now we have received the tent, and now it's time to show y'all it in all of its glory, and I am extremely excited about today's camp. Here's bag one. Ooh, here's bag two. This bad boy got some weight to it. All right, so we're gonna take a look at this bag first. This is our accessory bag. As y'all can see, we have RBM Outdoors logo on the outside of the bag. It has some nice straps, 2 buckles. Undo those buckles. Where is the zip? In our bag, we have a rain fly. So the rain fly does not come on the tent. You do have to add this if you would like to, you know, be protected from the rain. Here is a window. We have a nice little canvas bag right here, and they give us this cool little tool. It has a lot of different accessories. You got a knife, we got a can opener, a knife. This hook right here is to take stakes out of the ground, and then we have a hammer. This is extremely dope. And here are our tent stakes and a few guidelines. This bag also comes with some nice quality straps. We got 2 buckles on the top that will undo, and inside is this beautiful inflatable tent. Just undo those bad boys, and then this thing is gonna get to unrolling. Oh, these are actually the tent stakes. In this bag is the pump that they provide for this tent. It is a manual pump. They suggest an electric one. Unfortunately, your boy Zach forgot to buy one, so we're gonna be manually inflating this tent today. Let's get this tent set up, man. All right, let's get this workout in, man. They say it's supposed to take 7 minutes. Let's see how long it takes me to pump this tent up. This thing legit only took like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I don't know why you would need an electric pump for this. Check this bad boy out. We finna take a look in here. I do need to get it staked down now that we have it all pumped up. This right here, this little notch is where we'll stake our tent down at, and you can even stake down this little flap right here in the same, with the same, you know, stake, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna stake down the bottom for now. Now the inside of this tent is really cool when it comes to this big opening right here. This is your sunlight, your sun window, whatever you would like to call it. Now you have this canvas that you can just simply zip down and have it completely covered, no sunlight coming in. We have a mesh zip that we can zip and just have it completely mesh, still some sunlight coming through, but some type of material to break up the sunlight, but still let it be very breathable and, you know, have some good ventilation. You do get 2 of these. You get one for this big window right here, and then you get one for your back door as well. So you can make the back side completely see-through and plastic, or you can just, you know, you can make this see-through and plastic as well. So you can turn this to a see-through window if you would like to. You can go mesh, or you can cover it up completely, and then if it was to rain, you would throw the rain fly on. We're just gonna go mesh, so let's go mesh. We got our front door right here. As soon as we come in this guy, you are able to turn it into a mesh door, or you can have the canvas covering it up just like our big window right there, right? So all around the tent, you have the option to either go mesh or you can zip it up and go full canvas. As soon as we walk in, we are greeted by this beautiful bathtub flooring in a forest green color. The entire tent is forest green. As you can see, the beams are a tan color, and these are extremely firm. I think I did 7 psi instead of 6, but we should be good for the night. As you can see, the beams go all around the tent, up at them, down. Then you got a beam running across right here. You also have a little string where you can hang things at. We got our huge window here on this side. We have 2 extremely large windows as well as a door. This side doubles as a door and a window, and then you have your front door area as well. We got 2 windows on the side right here that can be zipped up and also zipped down so we can ventilate it. You got a window right here. You got a window right here. You got a pocket right here, and you got a pocket on the back side right here. This is a hot tent. You can put a stove in here for the hot tent, and this is just, you know, this will come out. You don't mess up the flooring. You have your hole for where your pipe will go through right here. For our sleeping pad, we'll be using the X-Pad Ultra 7R. This is my favorite sleeping pad. Boom, and just like that, and that'll go right there. One thing that I'm already loving about this tent is the fact that I can come through the back. This is going to make moving in a hell of a lot easier, you feel me? So this is all I needed. Against the wall back here, we have the king camp couch. In this corner, we have the table, and I did turn it. Instead of having it long ways up against that wall, I turned it long ways this way up against the front door. Bodega cooler slash refrigerator. We got some steaks in here for tonight. Over here we have our Blue Eddy charging station. I just got my shirt drying right here. It is extremely wet. This is the king camp table. I got my, on this side, we got my tripod. That's just in the way. This will charge all of my electronics as well as run my fan. Here we have the sleep system. That is the entire setup right there. And I got a little light going right here. And we have a friend in here. Y'all see him? He is about to die. Y'all know I do not play with them bugs. Y'all see him? I'm just about to chill for a minute, enjoy my surroundings, enjoy my environment. But yes, y'all, this tent is extremely dope. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite. This has to be one of my favorite tents right now. I love the luxury tents, the, you know, the king camp tents, but as far as like smaller tents, this is my favorite. I think because it's inflatable, and I love this green. This green is my favorite type of green. This forest green right here. Y'all see I wear green all the time. I'm gonna let this tea bag sit in this hot water for a minute, let it ferment, then I'm gonna add my sugar, and we're gonna be vibing. I just texted my wife and I told her, I'm like, I love this tent. This is a great one-person luxury tent. Definitely. So this tent is going, I'm gonna camp in this tent a lot, y'all. Y'all just better get ready for it. We'll hold this power button down right there, and it turns that light on. This light is extremely bright, y'all, and that is what that bad boy looks like in front of the tent. Cheers. Oh my gosh, there's so much all-purpose seasoning. Well, I'm tweaking. Look at that plate right there, man. All right, y'all, we done made our way out here to this projector screen. I need to refill my wine a little bit. I get a steak a 8 out of 10. I am ready to go to sleep though. And now I'm in the tent. Oh, this feels so good. This is definitely gonna be comfortable. Boy. Fresh off the wake up. Good morning, y'all. We about to make us some hot tea real quick. It is kind of chilly out here this morning. Before we leave, I'm gonna let y'all see how long and what's the process for deflating and packing up that inflatable tent. Cool? Cool.